project is named BarBack. And
Microphone.
Speak into the microphone.
no, yes. Our project is called BarBack, and the reason we created this application was we decided that the worst part about going to a bar is definitely going up to the bartender and like kind of elbowing your way through and like trying to get the attention, and it just takes you out of the experience and it makes you really not happy to be there. So we created a application. Here. This is what I have. Sorry it doesn't look that great here. It has a list of all of the drinks that you can get at a bar. And here, let's see. I always pick Tom Collins. So it has a nice little minimalist drawing. And if you want to learn more about it, you can just get history. And it also has price, calories, ounces, ingredients. But the important part is you can add it to your cart. So once you add it to your cart, you can just go here, and you see, it's kind of mirrored right now, so I apologize. But it says Tom Collins, 1 drink, and $10. And then I hit order. And then if you were at a bar, that just means, you know, you don't have to go up there. You ordered it, and it went right to the bartender's tablet app, which is right here. As you see, it says Tom Collins. So if this was, you know, in real life, I would be hanging out with my friend. I wouldn't have to be doing anything. And while the bartender is making drinks, he can notify me when it's done. And once it's done, it connects to Google's wallet, so that way it already is paid for. So all I have to do is just go right up to the bar, show him like something on here, there's an order ID, or he has my name, and I can just take the drink and then go right back to my friend. So it replaces the messy experience of going to a bar, and yeah, it just makes it way more enjoyable and makes it about you and your friends. So, cool. So, questions?
What else can it be used for?
So as of right now, it is meant for drinks, but for any goods-based service, it could probably work. So I imagine you could walk into a restaurant and sit down, and then just order what you want, and then it will vibrate your phone, or it'll vibrate a waitress's phone and say, the food is ready, bring it to the table. Or a high-end retailer, such as, like, we'll say Macy's. You can just go in and see what you want, and then order it, and then someone can bring out, like when it's ready, like your phone vibrates and you know to go to the counter when all of your stuff is like brought to the counter, or like you need extra help. Yes.
Where's it getting all this information about the drinks?
We set up a factory for a drink factory class. So they're technically hard-coded right now, but it would be extremely easy to do a text file based one, or like download from the internet and just pass it to the factory, because all you would need to do is pass the name, an icon, and then just things like the ingredients, the history, and the price. So any bar can theoretically add their own custom drinks. It literally would be easy, and you don't need to have like a computer science degree to do it.
Anybody else?
Yes.
How are you communicating between the buyer and the bartender?
We are actually doing it in 2 different ways. One way is we're using Parse as a backend to store all the order history, so that way customers can always see what they ordered, and bartenders can check past orders to make sure, like, you know, in case something bad happens. But another way is that since we're on the same network, we do push notifications. So that is how it's so immediate that it's like the tablet is updated, because it just passes in like the user ID, the name, the drink they want, and when they want it by through the push notification, and then once it's done, it just does a push notification right back. Yes?
Have you thought at all about why the restaurant, the bar, wants this?
I imagine that a restaurant or a bar would like to do this because it enables people to purchase more drinks and purchase more food. Because if people are standing around waiting for like 20 minutes, chances are they're faced with that, they're not going to want to go up and get more drinks. But if it's really simple and, you know, fun and easy to do and enables more people to be more sociable with their friends, I imagine that it would make a better experience and more people would like to go out. So I think that that would be a good reason.
Yeah, the application could also offer analytics to the bar to see what kind of orders are being
Good call.
taken in different times. It can even customize it per user. There's a lot of data that can be used here for sales purposes.
Cool, and we are out of time, so thank you so much.